I have this DeWalt examination camera, and funny things happen. I get this C manual for troubleshooting. Uh, what it does, it knocks out the camera, which is on this end, and then gets me this message. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the battery that's on the bottom. There's another battery inside the LCD screen. You have to take 4 screws out. So I disconnected the battery. I'm going to connect it back in, and you'll see that it will start recording. It usually does. Oh, there we go. I forgot to turn it on. And there's a dial here on the bottom. Anyway, so this and now again, there's nothing. I didn't do anything. I didn't record anything. And the only way I can fix this is if I take the battery, the main battery out, disconnect it for a second, put it back in, and then you'll see that the camera comes back on, and the overhead light, and you can actually start recording. And sometimes it already peeked out again. I'm gonna this time give it more light. The bottom battery is brand new. There we go. See, it comes back on by itself. I didn't even push any buttons. But if I hit the record, I didn't even have to hit the record button this time. So what the heck is going on? I'm going to hit the record button this time a little earlier. Oh, and it just puked out. And I checked the internal battery. The battery was this morning 3.8 volts, and then this battery was freshly charged. So I don't think it is the bottom battery. There is something else going on. I've tried different memory cards. I tried a 2 gig card and a 16 gig card, and now it is puking out much earlier than before. So I'm asking if anybody has any idea how to fix it. I would appreciate it. Thank you, guys.